Hello, everybody. Welcome back to week 2 of our new remote learning plan for band. This is your Echo landing page and agenda for this week, April 20th through April 24th. You'll see down here that we have the same idea as last week with the weekly agenda that has all 5 days. It's a Google Doc. Right now I am making this. This is the explanation video for the agenda. Here is Mr. Boxy's link to the announcements for the students for this week. And then if you are one of the couple who have not yet registered for Smart Music, please do so right here. Click on this link and enter this code right there. Most of you have already signed up for the text reminders, but if you have not yet done that, please send a message to 81010, and in the subject or the body you're going to put at MERPS 2024 because that's your graduation year, and that's how I'll use that to get a hold of you with short bits of information that you might need to know. Let's take a look at the agenda for this week. You'll see again we have two options, option A and option B. Option A is great once you feel that you have got the assignment, the project for the week down. Option B takes you through step by step and maybe some ways that you can practice to get better at that. So depending on what your scores are with Smart Music, you might find yourself more on the option A or the option B track. If you are option B this week, we are doing the 5 major scales starting on C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, and those are going to be at 100 beats per minute. And same with option A, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat at 100 beats per minute. If your option B, 100 beats per minute, is too fast for you to play it correctly, then you're going to start out on Monday at 60 beats per minute, and then on Tuesday 70, Wednesday 80, Thursday you'll bump yourself up to 100, and then you'll be ready to go by the end of the week. If you're on option A right now, I'd like you to do some more exploring in Smart Music to see what you can find maybe in the solo books. There might be some movie songs that you recognize, or maybe you can find some pieces of music that you'd recommend us doing with the band for the next few weeks. I have a plan for the rest of the marking period, but I'm willing to adjust that. If you tell me that there's some things out there that you want to try, I'm game and I'm willing to do that. When you log into Smart Music this week, you will notice that it's going to tell you that you have 5 assignments, and then it will tell you that you have 1 graded. If you click on the graded assignment, it will show you what the assignment was, and it will show you your grade, and then this box right here will actually pull up the submitted page. In this box, a few of you use this, not everybody did, and that's fine, but you're welcome to. You can make comments to me right in here. If the piece was too easy, too hard for you, that's a great place for you to talk to me about it, or if it's a piece you really liked. And then over here on the left, I have my own comments as to how you could get better in the future. And I did go through and change some of the assessment grades that were kind of low. If your score was in the A to B range, I left it alone. If it was pretty low, I went back and tried to figure out why. And in many cases, you didn't do anything wrong. The microphone just didn't pick everything up. So log in and check out your final grade and any comments. If you don't see any comments from me at the beginning of the week, check back in later in the week and you'll probably see those pop up as I get some time to start plugging those in. Hopefully that answers your questions for this week, but again, email me if you have any problems or anything that you need me to explain better. This week's assignment again is the 5 major scales, C, F, B flat, E flat, and A flat at 100 beats per minute, and then whatever time you have after you've gotten those done with a good score, please mess around more with Smart Music and start sending me some ideas of what you'd like to see take place with our class the next few weeks. Hope you have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon.